Hello everyone, I am an intern working in LEXIS and Company, and I am going to present on the topic malicious proceedings. So malicious proceedings is a judicial proceeding instituted by one person upon the other for a wrongful or malicious motive and without probable cause to sustain a malicious proceeding. And it can also be a malicious bankruptcy or can come under the malicious proceeding. So the elements required in malicious proceedings are five. First is prosecution by the defendant. Second, absence of reasonable and probable cause. Third is the defendant acted maliciously. Fourth, termination of proceedings is in favor of the plaintiff. And fifth is plaintiff has suffered damage from the malicious prosecution caused. First, which is the prosecution by the defendant. That the defendant has brought up a suit against the plaintiff on the particular days. Second is the absence of reasonable and probable cause. There wasn't any sufficient evidence, cause, facts, figures, which prove that the plaintiff, the innocent person, is guilty. Third is defendant acted maliciously. So maliciously is acting in a bad faith. Fourth is termination of proceedings in favor of the plaintiff. So the person who was charged of the malicious prosecution is free of the charge. Fifth is plaintiff suffered damage as a result of the proceedings. It can be in the terms of reputation or in terms of property loss or in terms of his work loss is considered as damage. And I would like to explain it with a case law that if A has an important rally, which is very important for his elections, and B, which is in associate with a police department, comes up with a plan that A needs to be in a jail for that for a reason without a probable evidence, and and on these particular days on which the rally is going to occur. So before the night of the rally, the A is being taken under the custody, and which leads to him not able to go to the rally the next few days. And after the rally is finished, he has been released. So it has caused a huge loss that he is not able to garner the support that he could have done in the elections. The prosecution is done by the defendant. There is no probable cause, and the defendant acted maliciously and he caused damage to his reputation as well as his work. So, thank you. This is it for the presentation of the malicious proceedings.